if you want to be a chef, you have to love eating, cooking, and you have to know all the tricks.
So, my name is Peter Fejes, F-E-J-E-S.
I'm running this restaurant from 2007.
Here in London or in Britain, we don't really know very much about it. How do you find when English people come to a restaurant? Do they enjoy it?
Absolutely. And we're gonna taste 3 soups. The gulyás, it says alföldi gulyás, the újházi tyúkhúsleves, which is the chicken soup, the bean soup with smoked knuckle.
I'm interested that you use pork fat as your main.
Sure.
I was been reading something quite interesting recently, saying how Europe is divided up by people who cook with oil, with butter, and fat. Yeah, you can kind of draw a map around those countries. So we've started with 3 different soups. One which was a traditional beef goulash, second a chicken and noodle soup, and the third, which I think has been the winner all round, which was a smoked pig's knuckle and bean soup. So I think the knuckle had just been cooked down with stock and the beans, and it's smoky, fantastic, really warming on a cold winter's day. And Peter's told us all about the tradition of curing meat and drying meat in Hungary and pig killing parties, and it just makes a lot of sense. It sounds to me like Hungarians are really in touch with what they eat. This is the dog.
Gypsy music is very important. You can't imagine a proper Hungarian dinner without gypsy music.
After all that French nonsense last week, this is more like it.